Next, we are going to design rule-based AI weather advisor. So here we are going to create a file and I'm naming it as weatheradvisor.py. So it's a Python file and here I'm going to create a one variable, and in this variable we are going to take input of weather. So input within double quotes, enter today's weather dot lower. Now here if condition will come, if weather, if user has entered sunny, then print. Here I'm giving advice as a prompt. We can take anything. So it's a prompt. So here we can give any message. It's hot outside. Again, elif weather equals to within double quotes I'm giving cold, then print. Again I'm giving here prompt advice wear warm clothes. I just forgot to give colon. Again elif weather equals to within double quotes rainy colon, then printf within double quotes our prompt will come, and then here we can give advice. Don't forget to carry your umbrella. We can give as many conditions as we want, and here I'm using else. Print. Again prompt will come. Advice. Sorry, I can't predict the weather outside. So this is our rule-based AI weather advisor. It works with if else. So here when we save this program and run it, here it is asking enter today's weather. Here I'm saying sunny. Here I'm saying sunny. So here it is saying it's hot outside. Again, if I run this program, enter weather outside, I'm saying cold. Wear warm clothes. And in the end, again if I run it, and it's saying rainy, It is saying enter today's weather. Rainy. Don't forget to carry your umbrella. And if I give anything here, it will say, sorry, I can't predict the weather outside. So this was our rule-based AI weather detection app.